Hi everyone! In this video, we will talk about a Spocket for dropshipping and honest review. So Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects online retailers with suppliers primarily from the US, EU, and few other regions, offering fast shipping and high quality products. Some of its pros are: first, faster shipping. Many suppliers are based in the US and EU, reducing delivery times. Second, high quality products, generally better than AliExpress alternatives. Third, easy integrations, works with Shopify, WooCommerce, and more. Third, branded invoicing helps build a professional brand. Lastly, is the free trial available. You can test before committing. And some of its cons are: it has a higher product cost, prices are higher, often higher than AliExpress, cutting into profits margins. Second, the monthly subscription fee. Plan starts at $39.99, which can be expensive for beginners. Third, limited customization. No direct supplier negotiations like with private label suppliers. Lastly, not all items ship quickly. Some products still have longer shipping times, depending on the location. Now, some of its key features are: US and EU supplier network. Second is the product catalog, branded invoicing, and automated order processing, which is seamlessly forwards orders to suppliers, reducing manual work. And an AliExpress Express dropshipping add-on. It lets you sort AliExpress products alongside Spocket's catalog. For the pricing, the free plan is you can browse the catalog but you can't sell. For the starter, it is $39.99 per month with 25 products and email support. For Pro, you have the $59.99 a month for 250 unique products, 25 premium products, and winning products. For the Empire, it is $99.9 per month with 10k unique products, 10k premium products, and supplier chat. Lastly is the Unicorn with $299.99 a month with 25,000 unique products, 25,000 premium products, and bulk checkout. So, who should use Spocket? Beginners who want reliable suppliers and easy setup. Also, dropshippers focus on the US and EU. Businesses wanting branded invoices, and Shopify WooCommerce store owners. And that's basically it.